Good morning, dear students. We are starting with part 3 of political party. This is third lesson. First, we have done two parts. In that, I have explained you the characteristics of political parties. Then, I have also explained you the political party and the link that connects it. In the last video lecture, we saw the changing nature of political parties in India. We saw about the Congress party. Now, children, we are going to see the national parties in India in this last part of political parties lesson. In this, we are going to see the different parties, how they are being declared to be national parties, and how some are regional parties. Now, there are certain criterias that are being placed by the election commission, and according to that criteria, the party is being considered to be the national party or the state regional parties. Now, children, as I told you, the criteria laid down by the Election Commission to recognize a party as a national party. See, you can see here on the screen those criteria. That means if it is a national party, at least 6% votes in Lok Sabha election or 6% vote in assembly election in 4 states. This is the main criteria. And the third one is that the wins 4 seats in Lok Sabha minimum, and the candidate of the party should be elected from minimum 2% constituencies out of the total Lok Sabha constituencies and from minimum 3 states. Now see here, children. See on the screen, as per the latest publication by Election Commission of India, 8 political parties are considered or recognized as a national parties. See, names are Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, Communist Party of India. It is also known as Marxist Party. Why it is known as, children, Marxist Party? It is based on the ideologies of Karl Marx. Then the fifth one is Communist Party of India. Sixth one is All India. Now this All India Trinamool Congress. Then there is Nationalist Congress Party, National People's Party. Now we'll see this each party in detail as they have given us in the textbook. Now before the proceeding there, we are going to see the ideology. Now children, ideology of the political party. The ultimate goal of each party is to bring positive changes in the society or the welfare of the country, but their opinion or ideas about it is different. That means each party have their different ideologies, different opinions or ideas of bringing changes in the country is called the ideology of the political parties. Now see, first one in this syllabus, our curriculum, they have given first one as Indian National Congress, the oldest party of India, children. It is one of the oldest party in the world actually, and the foundation year is 1885. Now the ideologies of Indian National Congress is different from the ideology of other parties. Now Indian National Congress is based on the ideology of secularism, then welfare of weaker section and the minorities. Now secularism means respecting all the religions, especially the minorities, a religious group. And the president of the Indian National Congress is Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. Now the next party is Bharatiya Janata Party. It was founded in 1980. The foundation year was 1980. Now we'll see the ideologies of Bharatiya Janata Party or the BJP. Cultural nationalism or the Hindutva. Complete territorial and political integrations. Uniform civil code for all people living in India. So they are having their ideologies. And the president is Jagat Prakash Nadda. We'll see the next one now. Bahujan Samaj Party, or it is famously known as BSP. Now children, BSP was founded in the year 1984 and the founder of this party was Kanshi Ram. Now, the ideology of BSP are different from the ideology of Indian National Congress or Bharatiya Janata Party. The ideology is to secure the interest and welfare of the Dalits or the Adivasis and also the OBCs. And the president of BSP is Mayawati. Now, children, in 2004 Lok Sabha election, it has secured 5% of votes and 19 seats. The next one is Communist Party of India, as I told you, the Marxist Party or CPIM. Now, CPIM is a separate from the Communist Party of India. CPI is different, children, and CPIM is different. This party was found in the year 1964 and the ideology are somewhat similar to Indian National Congress, that is, it believes in socialism, then again secularism and democracy. CPIM wants social economic justice in India. That means social as well as economically justification should be done by all the peoples. Then it has strong support in West Bengal, Kerala, Tripura, especially among the workers and the farmers especially. And the president of this Communist Party of India is K. Balakrishnan. Now the next one we are moving on is the Communist Party of India or the CPI. This CPI is different from CPIM. This was found in the year 1925. Their ideologies are similar to CPIM as well as the Congress Party. That is secularism, democracy, securing the interests of working class, especially farmers and the poor people. This party has a strong support again in Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And the president of CPI is Mr. D. Raja. And here CPIM, the president is K. Balakrishnan. Don't get confused, children. Okay, All India Trinamool Congress, AITC or TMC. Trinamool Congress Party. Now this party was founded in the year 1998 and their ideology was anti-communism and Bengali nationalism. Communism is a system. Children, now this communism, it is a system in which the major means of production such as machines, factories are controlled by the workers or the working class. It is currently the fifth largest party in Lok Sabha with 22 seats. And the founder and the president of this Trinamool Congress is Mamata Banerjee. Then NCP, Nationalist Congress Party. It was found in the year 1999. Children, it's based on Gandhi's secularism and social justice. It also have the ideology of democracy. NCP is a major party in Maharashtra and also supported by the people of Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. And the president is very well known by all of us, that is Mr. Sharad Pawar. Then there is National People's Party. It is also known as NPP. Now children, this NPP, it is a major party of Meghalaya and the founder is P.A. Sangma. It was found just now in this previous years like 2013 it was found, and the first party from Northeast India to be recognized as a national party. Northeast, that side, Assam side. Okay, this NPP is president is also Conrad Sagma. You can see the picture of him. Founder is P.A. Sigma and the president. So now children, we have discussed about some of the national recognized party by the election commission. We will now in our next part we are going to see the regional parties. Now in our next part we are going to see the regional parties. Regional party in India, in which first one is Shiv Sena, that is in 1966 in Maharashtra. President is Uddhav Thackeray. Lok Sabha leader is Vinayak Raut. Rajya Sabha leader is Sanjay Raut. It was founded by Bal Thackeray on 19th June 1966, that is 54 years ago. Headquarters Shiv Sena Bhavan, Dadar, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and their famous newspaper is Samana. Now children, second one is Shiromani Akali Dal, that was founded in 1920 in Punjab, and the objectives of this is to nurture religious and regional pride, remained in power from many years in Punjab. Now see children, the president is Sukhbir Singh Badal. The headquarter is Block 6 Madhyam Marg, Sector 28 Chandigarh. Their alliances are National Democratic Alliance and Wing Students Organization of India, SOI Youth Akali Dal. And the leadership is in the hand of the President Sukhbir Singh Badal. The Shiromani Akali Dal is a center-right Sikh-centric state political party in Punjab. The party is the second oldest in India after Congress, being founded in 1920. Keep this thing in mind, children. Shiromani Akali Dal is the oldest this regional party. Now children, next one, you can see the symbol that is on the screen. This is of National Conference that was founded in 1932 by Jammu and Kashmir, and the objective of this party was to work for the interests of the Kashmiris or promote full autonomy for the state. So this is a National Conference symbol. So the next one is the Assam Gana Parishad that was found in 1985, and the screen is showing you the symbol, the flag of that party, and there are different objectives of this party. This is the regional party of Assam. Okay children, the president of this Assam Gana Parishad is Atul Bora, and the leaders are Prafulla Kumar Mahanta. Headquarter is Gopinath Bordoloi Road, Guwahati, and the founder is Prafulla Kumar Mahanta. Now children, it is having again alliance with National Democratic Alliance. It is a state political party in Assam, and AGP was founded, that is Assam Gana Parishad was formed after the historic Assam Accord in 1985 and formally launched at Golaghat Convention held from 13 to 14 October 1985 in Golaghat. Now among these, last one is the Dravida Munitra Kazhagam. Now this is a state political party that was influential in the state of Tamil Nadu, and it was found in the year 1949. We will see now the ideologies or the objectives of this party. Okay children, now these are the objectives of Dravid Munitra, this Kazhagam, that is DMK, that is Justice Party, emerged in 1920 from the non-Brahmin movement. In 1949, a breakaway party DMK was formed from it. In 1972, it further split to form AIADMK party, and made efforts for protection of Tamil identity, that means for their people, shared power at the center and remained for a long period and implemented many policies. So these were the objectives and some information about this party. So now we have seen about some major regional parties, that is the Shiv Sena. Second one is Shiromani Akali Dal. Then we saw the Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. Then Assam Jan Parishad. Last one we saw the DMK party. Now children, here in the last part they have given regional party in Maharashtra and representation in Vidhan Sabha. You can see Shiv Sena 44 in the election of 2009. You can see it. Here there are name of the party, seats won. This party do not exist in 2009. Now, in this chapter, we took a review of national and regional political parties in India. In the next chapter, we'll try to understand the importance of social movement in our life. With this, we end up with the in this political parties in which there are national parties